Innhold AI is a new software making waves in the AI space right now. And if you're curious about how it works and whether it's right for your business, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Innhold AI, the best just released AI software that has everyone talking. Stick around till the end because I've got a special offer for you to try it out for free. And trust me, you'll want to hear it. Let's dive into the first thing you need to know. Innhold. AI is designed to help streamline content creation. If you're in digital marketing, running a business, or just want to produce high-quality content quickly, this tool is built to give you a massive boost. It leverages machine learning to help create and optimize text, making the process faster and more efficient without sacrificing quality. Now, what makes Innhold AI stand out from the countless other tools out there? It's its versatility. Innhold isn't just focused on one type of content, like blogs or social media posts. It can help with a wide range of content needs, email campaigns, product descriptions, video scripts, and even entire marketing funnels. This makes it a one-stop shop for digital marketers who need a variety of content types for their strategies. Another key feature is its natural language processing capabilities. The software understands context and can generate human-like text that resonates with your audience. Whether you're writing for a casual blog post or a formal business proposal, Innhold AI can adapt its tone to match the style you need. It's like having a professional writer by your side, except faster. If you're wondering about customization, Innhold AI lets you create templates tailored to your specific needs. You can feed the tool with keywords, topics, or specific directions, and it will generate content that aligns with your preferences. This is huge for those who need personalized content, as it cuts down on the editing time significantly. When it comes to SEO, Innhold AI doesn't leave you hanging. The software is equipped with optimization features that help you create SEO-friendly content right out of the box. It suggests keyword placements, titles, and even meta descriptions, making it easier to rank on search engines without manually tweaking each piece of content. User-friendliness is also something that sets Innhold AI apart. The interface is intuitive, meaning you won't need to waste hours learning how to use it. You can quickly input your ideas, select your content type, and get results in no time. This is ideal for marketers and businesses who want to focus on creating content without getting bogged down by complicated software. As for pricing, while Innhold AI offers a free trial, it's worth mentioning that it also has flexible plans designed for different levels of use. Whether you're a solopreneur, small business owner, or part of a large marketing team, there's a plan that suits your needs and budget. And here's the best part. You can try Innhold AI completely for free from the link in the description below. You won't have to commit to anything, and you'll get a chance to explore all of its powerful features without spending a dime. But hurry. Free trials tend to be limited, and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can honestly say that Innhold AI is one of the most efficient and versatile options out there. If you're looking for AI software that streamlines your content creation while keeping things easy to use, this is a solid choice. Be sure to check out my list of recommended AI software in the description as well. They're all tools I've tested personally, and I've got some great free trials for you to explore. So give Innhold AI a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.